This is a demonstration of the features of data entry by form in Morphit. This is a new feature available in Morphit 1.6 to provide a method of entering data through a form rather than through the cells of a table. The data entry by form is available on the Tables toolbar and also can be enabled through the Instructions panel. If we click on this form, it will render up a form based on the structure of the table. So here we see group, fixed filter, warning, data entry protected, and these fields are reflected in the current page here. The order of the fields in the form is the same as the order in the table. So we can see that the form is dynamically built from the table structure. You can scroll through all the records and enter data. You can see the data being added. And moved on to the next record. There are a number of features that actually provide more control of how data is entered. The first one to demonstrate is using a filter. So we can see here each group has an index number. So if we select the entire field, we can select its data entry property as filter. Now, when we apply the data entry by form, we see that there is a filter field. And if we enter a value and enter some data, and this ensures that data is accurately entered into the table. We can also apply filters to groups. So when we fire the data entry by form, we can see that there are multiple hits, but we can only enter data in group A. We can also set things to be fixed filters. In this case, we say that it's a fixed filter and it must have the value hit. And remove the filter from the form. So now we can see we can only get group B because that's the only one that has a hit. The fixed filter is not displayed on the form. We can set certain fields not to be shown in the form as well by setting the data entry by form property as unused. We can also choose whether to simply enter data and move to the next record, or actually return the values of the calculations from the entered data. So turn off the property Auto New Search. When we run the data entry by form, we can add our group. And this time, when we enter data, we press the apply. We can change that change that entry, reapply, and we can see that warnings are fed back, or calculations can be fed back through the form. Just to reiterate, we can ensure that data is read-only by simply protecting the field. Data entry by form was developed originally to support hands-off data entry using instrumentation such as barcode scanners, balancers, calipers and weights. A number of examples of this are available in our product demonstrations, such as tumour volume and body weight examples, and these videos are available on our website. Thank you very much for listening.